If you're looking to stop recurring charges on eBay, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage your subscriptions and payments effectively. Follow these steps to ensure you won't be billed unexpectedly. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Start by visiting the eBay website and logging into your account using your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct account that has the recurring charges. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the My eBay section at the top right corner of the page. From there, select Account to access your account settings where you can manage your subscriptions. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account settings, look for the Subscriptions or Payments section. Here, you will see a list of any active subscriptions or recurring payments linked to your account. Step 4. Cancel the recurring charge. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, ensure you receive a confirmation email or notification from eBay indicating that the recurring charge has been successfully stopped. It is a good practice to check your account again after a few days to confirm that the charge no longer appears. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and stop any unwanted recurring charges on eBay. If you have any further questions or issues, consider reaching out to eBay customer support for assistance.